Hello and welcome to part 3 of the WeValCo Step tutorials. My name is Andreas, co-founder of WeValCo, and today we will learn how to create a project plan in Excel based on your projects in Microsoft Planner. In the previous videos, you learned how to create a project plan in Microsoft Planner using Excel. This is a project plan we created. Now, let's assume your distribute team is working on these tasks. The planning phase is completed. Some party equipments are rented, but not all. And also in the buckets, some tasks are closed. You now want to get an overview of your project. With Microsoft Planner, you can't really get a good overview. Therefore, we developed WeValCo Steps. With it, you can create a report in Excel, which you can use to get an overview or adjust to your needs. So let's go to Steps. Here you click on Create Report. Now you can select the planner you want to get the report from, in our case, the test plan. Select the folder in which you want to store your report. And if you do not already have a report, create a new one by entering a name. In the overview, you see that this time you want to create a report from the test plan, and the file project report should be stored in the general folder. Looks correct. So let's create a report. Steps found the plan you want to create a report from, which includes 30 tasks, and add them to the report. After a while, all tasks have been transferred and you can open your report. All the tasks are listed in the Task tab. Before we have a look at the reports, let's see the setup. For that, click on the Helper tables. On the left side, you see the different buckets. The numbers indicate in which order the buckets are shown in your report. The order is correct in this case, but needs adjustment sometimes. Now let's see the Multiplan Subcase Tracker tab. In the first row you see the buckets, and right beneath the percentage done per bucket. Completed checklist items are also calculated in the overview percentage as a fraction of 100%. Below the overall percentage, you see the work packages per bucket and sub-use case. The sub-use cases were indicated by brackets behind the task name. In our example, we used to see different teams. The other report template is similar to the one we just saw, but instead of sub-use cases, all tasks are listed in their percentage given. But there is more about reporting with WeValCo Steps. Instead of using a single plan, you can combine different plans into one report. This is especially helpful, for example, if you run the same project on different sites and want to show the progress per site. To do so, you can select in Steps more than one report. In this example, I used the Dev plan, which only contains a single task in the planning bucket, just to explain the principle. I selected the report file we just created, and as you see now, 2 plans are found and 31 tasks, and 1 was added to the report and 30 were updated. In our report, you now see 2 rows filled, 1 for the test plan and 1 for the dev plan. One more hint, always check the length of the overall percentage calculation and adjust it to your needs. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please click on like. If you want to know more about WeValCo and Steps, have a look in the description below, and subscribe if you want to know more about project management and some helpful tools from us. See you soon.